Hello, my name is Justin Sheets, and I am a Senior Technical Marketing Architect at VMware. I have been a volunteer in the VMware Hands-on Labs program for 4 years now, and I'm currently working on the Digital Workspace Hands-on Lab, which covers VMware Workspace ONE platform, including VMware Horizon, Workspace ONE Unified Endpoint Management, Workspace ONE Intelligence, and Workspace ONE Access. I constantly recommend the hands-on labs to our customers, our partners, and anyone interested in learning the foundations of VMware Horizon and Workspace ONE. Our hands-on labs provide you with real infrastructure in a matter of seconds, allowing you to interact with the product in real time. You can follow our prescriptive and detailed instructions to learn the core foundations or experiment with the product on your own. I simply cannot overstate how powerful a tool the VMware hands-on labs are to our learners. My favorite experience with the hands-on labs isn't a particular event, but actually a reoccurring event that happens all the time. Whether it's through our instructor-led or self-paced lab formats, I love seeing the moment where our learners connect the dots and see the technology working firsthand and learn just how powerful the solution is. I love making that aha moment a reality for our learners, and it's one of the reasons that I volunteer for the hands-on labs every year. If you enjoy building a unique experience for your customers, your partners, or any learners who are interested in your technologies, consider volunteering with the Hands-on Labs to help make that vision a reality.